Hi all, hope you all are doing good. I am here with another video which is the profit and loss statement of my May month. In this month I have seen a lot of losses unlike other months. I will explain all in detail. Welcome to my channel. This is the monthly P&L. I will show you. See, totally I have made around 23,460. Leaving all the charges. Realized P&L is 36,330 and there were quite a lot of charges I gave. 12,000 plus charges I gave. I think that is because of my trading style. Anyway, that's okay. And see there, 1 week I was in continuous loss. Like a 5 days were continuously in loss, which is quite unlikely. I usually do not consider so many losses. If 2 or 3 days were in loss, the next day I would come back. That is how my history says. I'll just quickly show you this from August. If I take you, see every day if you see, it's like that only. 2 days I will be in loss, the next day I will be in profit. So but in this May I was in continuous loss for 5 days. Then after that I came back with a really good profit and ended in the month in profit. And see, this month I have seen a lot of losses, bigger losses. And see here, GRS is 9,000 loss. AMI Organics 7,000 loss. And yeah, McDowell, it's actually two trades, 15,000 plus loss. Mathan Alloy is 10,000 plus loss. From Hemi Properties 6,000 plus loss. So like that. So bigger losses seen in this month. Anyway, bigger profit also were seen in this month. Actually, in this NCC, in this trade, in this day, I will show. NCC itself gave me 20 plus thousand profit in that single day. But also, I did some trade in date range. Future and option as well. And in that, I made around 7,840. I did a very less trades in future and options, few trades only, and this is the total money I could make from future and options. And most of them are, if you see, are equity options and equity futures. One trade only I did in Bank Nifty, and that I made a small money. Usually index, Bank Nifty I prefer not to do in Zerodha. I do that in HDFC Sky. Here sometimes I do an option selling on a expiry day. And so I'll show how much I made totally. 7,840 plus in equity 23,460. So through Zerodha I could take 31,300, and some trades I have taken in HDFC Sky also, and there I could make around 4,540. So the total capital is 35,840. That was my profit in the month of May, and which is some 3.5% of my total capital. And my target is actually 4%. 4% monthly profit means 48% yearly, which is quite good according to me. I can show you actually how do I take trade. If you are interested, I can just open a chart, any chart. See, usually when a stock which has a good momentum, that stock will respect all the indicators. That is what my experience says. That is what I have been noticing from the stock market. So you just have to pick a stock which has a really good momentum. So suppose if I take one chart, this MMFI, this stock had a really good momentum on last day, and this stock opened somewhere near 20-day moving average and then tried to go up. And there is a CPR resistance here, and see what happened from here. From there it started falling. And if you ask me VWAP is here, then why didn't it take support from VWAP? The reason being, it's a bigger candles, right? This bigger candle, such a big candle happen. That means a huge sell-off is happening there. So we shouldn't take trade from there. We should wait. And here and all, according to me, there is no trades. But when it came back, see, smaller candles are happening. Smaller candles are happening, and this 20-day moving average, VWAP is here, and is coming close to VWAP. See here. And smaller candle means what? There are not so much of buying there, right? That is what it means. Smaller candles, smaller candles, smaller candles, and it comes near or VWAP, sell here. So suppose if you sell here, if you do a sell there, for example, for 1196, if you do a sell there, and see, you can capture all these things, all these points you can capture, at least some close to some 7 to 8 points you can easily capture there, or leave 6 points you capture, and you come out. You enter for some 500 quantity or 200 plus quantity, and you come out from that area. See, getting 5 to 6 points is in this range stock is very easy according to me, but the problem happens when you wait for 15 to 20 points. When you wait for 15 to 20 points, it can reverse, or else you should have a very good conviction that it will fall further, and it will give you 20 points. If you have such conviction, you can hold the trade. If you do not have a conviction, if you are just going with the indicators, you have to come out with a 4 or 5 or 6 points profit. That is what I do. I do not keep the stock for a long time. Only if I don't have a conviction. If I have a conviction, of course, I will keep it. That is what it is. See here, if you check this chart, came back all the way up here, and from where it started falling, you can see. See, this is the this is simple price action. It went to all the way here in the morning, and see afternoon. See, it took support from, it took resistance from that area. It fell, and see, from VWAP, it is going up again. This is what. So getting few points in this momentum stocks, it's very easy. For this momentum stocks, I depend on HDFC Securities or ICICI Securities research calls. They usually give a good momentum stock on the particular day. So I try to trade in those trades so that I don't have to do a bigger analysis of which fundamental study or nothing. I just follow those recommendation and trade according to my style. That is what I do. And now I am having a 10 lakh account. I started with 7, now it's 10 lakh. See, this 10 lakh I just keep in my account. If I take a trade, I just use 1 or 2 lakhs only. Why I am keeping more money is mainly the part of my risk management. I can lose 10,000 when I have 10 lakh in my account. But if I lose 10,000 when I have only 2 lakh account, is too much. So I made total of 35,000 in this month. I don't be adding this 35,000 into my trading account. I will show what I do with this money. I simply buy mutual fund with the trading money. See, this total investment is 1.97 lakh. This all money is from my trading profit, and I just put that money into these funds. All of them are HDFC's and ICICI Securities fund. I trust them a lot, and I know this next 50 I have taken in HDFC also and ICICI also. I know it's not a correct thing to do, but anyway. But I am not just dumping money just like that. See here, suppose HDFC Pharma Fund. I will show when did I take it. See here, these were the days I bought this fund. I will take you to the pharma chart. Go through 1 day chart. See, this is 19th of April. See, this candle came till here. This day I bought 5,000 quantity of pharma fund. See, which is 19th of April. Then I took it in April 23. April 23 is when this fall happened. I bought again. Then I bought it on May 7th. May 7th is when? This one. May 7th is this such a big fall happened, and I bought it again here. and that is how. So now I will wait for this candle to come this area, I will enter it again. So whenever there is a correction happen, I dump this money into those particular mutual fund. This is what I am doing. So anyway, that is why I am this money, like I am making money for my mutual fund investment only. Anyway, my SIPs are running in other HDFC securities and Axis Bank and all is running, and this is actually I manually buying, and only with the trading profit. So this month I will be buying for 35,000. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.